This is one of our more interesting displays. Back during the 20s and 30s, the fledgling years of the auto industry, cars didn't have the durability that they have today. Mechanically they did, but typically the bodies didn't last. Across the aisle from me are several Model A Fords, and they were typical of the era. Many times the body would wear out before the engine did, and people would keep the engine even though after they disposed of the car, and they might use the engine to cut wood, pump water, various uses, particularly around the farm. But there was an individual that was really interested in airplanes. His name was Pietenpol, and he developed a kit that you could buy for $750. He would furnish the parts, you would furnish your engine, and you would have your own airplane, a twin cockpit airplane powered by a Model A engine. In this particular case, it's a neat example of Yankee ingenuity, I guess I would say, because one of the issues you have with a naturally aspirated engine at altitude is carburetor icing, which means in the colder temperatures, the moisture in the fuel would freeze and you wouldn't get fuel to the engine and you had to come down. Well, this individual solved his problem with a simple Campbell soup can that he slid over one of the exhaust ports, directed the air to the carburetor through that, so he was preheating the air, and he was able to fly at altitudes and not have carburetor icing.